I'm terrified about my wife giving birth in a world where making noise means the end. I don't even know if anyone will read this. Our internet connection is spotty at best, running off solar panels when we can risk turning on the equipment. But I need to get this off my chest before I explode. My wife is due in about 2 weeks. In normal times, we'd be excited, setting up the nursery, having a baby shower. But these aren't normal times. Not since those things arrived. For those who somehow don't know, they hunt by sound. Any noise louder than a whisper brings them running. They're fast. Unbelievably fast. And seemingly indestructible. We've been surviving on our farm for over a year now. We've done everything possible to adapt. Sand paths everywhere to walk silently. Sign language for communication. Soundproofed rooms. But a baby? A crying newborn? I lie awake every night terrified. The guilt is eating me alive. My youngest son passed away on my watch. One small toy, one moment of distraction, and he was just gone. I failed him. My daughter blames herself, but it was my responsibility. I was the dad. I was supposed to keep him safe. Now we're bringing another child into this nightmare. We've built a soundproof box with oxygen tanks. We've gathered medication. We've planned for every contingency we can think of. But it won't be enough. It can't be. I keep working on finding these creatures' weakness. My basement workshop is covered in notes, samples, theories. I monitor frequencies, test sounds, examine news reports from before communications went down. My wife says I'm obsessed. She's right. Sometimes I wonder if we should have just given up when they first arrived. Would that have been kinder than this half-life of constant fear? But then I see my kids teaching each other to fish silently in the stream, or my wife's hand resting on her belly, and I know we have to keep fighting. If anyone out there is still alive and reading this, how are you coping? Have you found any weaknesses in these things? Any safe zones? Any hope at all? I'll probably never get to read your responses. Using electronics is a risk we rarely take. But just typing this out helps somehow. Stay silent. Stay alive. Edit: if you're wondering how I'm posting this, our basement has enough concrete and insulation that I can risk using equipment for short periods. And sometimes the need to feel connected to anyone else out there is worth the risk.